Did you know some animals can freeze solid and come back to life? Let's check out some of the coolest freeze-surviving creatures on the planet. First up, the wood frog. This little amphibian can survive being frozen for months, with its heart completely stopped. It pumps glucose into its cells to prevent ice from forming inside, making it nature's ultimate freeze-thaw survivor. Next, the Arctic woolly bear moth. This caterpillar freezes solid every winter and thaws out each spring, doing this cycle for up to 14 years before finally turning into a moth. And you can't forget the tardigrades, also known as water bears. These microscopic creatures can survive freezing temperatures by entering a state called cryptobiosis. They can stay in this state for decades and revive when conditions improve. Isn't nature amazing? These animals defy the odds by freezing solid and springing back to life. What other incredible animals do you know of? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts.